Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change facial expressions in a photo using Pippit AI. First, Pippit AI is an AI-powered tool that allows you to create any AI content like maybe create AI talking photos, avatar videos, product showcase, product videos, and many more. And you can also use this Pippit AI to change facial expressions in your photo. And first, if you want to try these tools, you can just take the link in the descriptions or pin comment to access this tool. And then next, first, just open the Pippit AI like this, and then go to Image Studio, and then go to AI Designs. And then in here, just upload your photo that you want to change the expressions. Like this, and then next just type your prompt over here. Just describe the facial expressions that you want to create or that you want to apply to the photo. For example, I want to make like this. For example, like this, you can just arrange your prompt as you like, and then after that just use your AI model, and then adjust your resolutions and your ratio over here, and then after that just click submit. And okay, like this, you will get the four results like this. Let's just take a look. And okay, like this, I think the result, it looks so good from the original photo that looks like this. This one, it's not happy expressions, and to the happy expressions like this, I think it's so natural. Like this, you can see it. And okay, that's it. Next, you can just try this tool as you like. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.